This is a temperature gauge. The old temperature gauge in this rack here was bad. It didn't work. So I clipped the wire and just undid it and pulled out. And I put this new one in here. I just screwed it in there. And I ran the sensor through that hole, which was already there. Luckily it fit. Let's go around and look at the other end of it now. So I ran the wire in front of the radiator. And it came up right through here. You can see it. That's the wire. I ran it down through there. I put a zip tie on it in there so it wouldn't slide forward. I ran it down along these wires here and in. It's going to, here it is. Here's the sensor. I've got Permatex on it. And this is the, see, can you see that? That's the bolt. I mean, the where the sensor goes, right there. That's 11/16. And it broke really easy and it's hand tight now. So I'm going to take it all the way out. Quick put this in here and tighten it up. And then it should be good, I guess. Here's the Permatex I bought, water pump. Here's the gauge. It was at AutoZone. It was like 25 bucks. It comes with the extra flange here, but this seems to be the right one. So I'm going to take that out real quick. When the water leaks, I'm going to throw this in here and tighten it down, and that should do it. So part 2 will be coming up. Let's see if it works.